Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami box. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it and fold it towards the middle crease and press it well. Open it. Now fold the lower part towards the upper crease. Press it well. Open it. Now fold from the top to the bottom crease and press it well. Now fold it horizontally and press it. Again fold it to the middle crease horizontally and press it well. Then from the other side repeat the step. Now open it. Now fold it. Now form a triangle according to the middle crease and press it well. Then from the other side repeat the step and press it. Open it up. Now fold inwards according to the folds. Press it well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold it and press it well. Then fold from the bottom towards the peak. Again, fold it and press well. Repeat the steps from the other side as we have done to the previous one. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Press it well. Again press it. Now tuck it inwards. Like this. Now repeat the step from the other side. Oops, be careful with that. Now, open it and form some edges. Adding some details, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.